In today's episode, we're going to walk through a simple yet effective strategy for you to get your affiliate marketing business off the ground. My name is Monique Mall, and welcome to Passive Income for Prosperity. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as we do weekly trainings and videos on all things marketing, branding, business mindset, and passive income strategies for you to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to discuss a step-by-step process for you using a product in ClickBank and a software called Clickfunnels for you to create a simple yet very effective two-page sales funnel that will get you started making money online. So let's get started. Okay, before we get started, I'm using ClickBank today, but you can do this with just about any affiliate program that you're connected to. What's great about ClickBank is there's a lot of beginner-friendly ways for you to get started. These are digital products, and they help you understand which are best converting. So if you don't already have an account at ClickBank, you want to make sure you go and get an account. And I will make sure that all the links for this are dropped below in the description so that this is easy for you to do step by step. So you have your account, you have a username, and now you're going to come to the marketplace. And there are just tons, as you can see on my screen, tons and tons of different categories that you can pick from to promote. So we're going to just start with something that I think a lot of people are probably interested in right now, and I think a lot of people may be searching for. So you can do things two different ways. You can go into the categories and look, or you can search by a term. So I'm going to search the word keto. And then when I do my search, whenever you search and whenever you're looking at what the products are, you want to make sure that everything is sorted by gravity. And that means they're telling you the best converting products and what their score is in the last so many weeks. So as you can see, there are several really good and high converting keto diets. So let's just pick one. How about we'll just do the top one? We're going to do custom keto. So you're going to see a little bit of an information here, and then you're going to see what your average conversion is, what the gravity point is. And so this is a 344, which means it's a high converting product, guys. And what's really great is that this also has a reoccurring bill of $20.92 and the initial is $25. So there is some longevity in what you could earn with this product. So we just want to click and we want to right click the affiliate page, because this is going to take you to the affiliate page. So this is welcome to keto. It tells you all about the resources. And here it says you have to access your affiliate tools. So I am going to do that right now. I'm going to pause this for a moment and I'm going to access these. So we're accessing these tools. Okay, so now we are on the custom ketos diet. So this is some information on it. This tells you a little bit about it, and you want to go to, you can check out the affiliate links, you can check out product information, they have banners, they have lead magnets that you can use, landing pages, what they look like, videos that you can put into your own type of thing. So there's all different things that you can utilize. What I love about this company is there's a lead magnet, so you're able to give somebody something free. So here it is, it's easy keto recipes, which is awesome. Now you have the landing page, which click here to see the sales page. You're going to download it. So you can see what that looks like. These are all the videos that you can put into your actual funnel. So here's the standard link, okay? So this kind of takes you guys an idea. So these are what they look like. So your choices, you have different ones. You have your standard, which you can take a look at. You have your keto quiz, no video. You have your 1-day trial, and then with a $37 bill. You have a video sales page here, and then you have straight to text, which I don't recommend. So this is your custom keto diet right here. This is the first one. This is the standard link. This one takes you to a quiz. So this is a great one to do because you can have a quiz to your page. But let's just, for the sake of being easy, let's start with just the regular page. So what you're going to do, we're going to get rid of all of these, but just let you guys know there's options, right? Okay. So we have our landing page. I just got to get it. There we go. We're here. Now, we're going to go into our Clickfunnels. Now, if you don't have Clickfunnels, I'm going to drop a link below here for you to get a 14-day trial. Now, if Clickfunnels is out of range for you, there are other funnel builders out there. I will drop some links for different priced funnels, all-in-ones, ones that are separate. A lot of these newer funnel page builders are all-in-ones. I personally love Clickfunnels. I think it's the best product on the market, but if it's out of budget, there are a lot of options, especially if you're new to get started. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to build a new funnel. And what do we want to do with this funnel? Whoop, here we go. There we go. It's coming up. It took a minute. We want to collect emails, right? So you are looking to get people to give you their information so that you can email them on the back end and create a list, especially if you're like in the health and wellness niche. You want people who are interested in either losing weight or in health and wellness. So you want to collect emails. So we're going to choose that. And we're just going to call this keto diet, or custom keto diet. I like to use the name of whatever product I am promoting in my funnel, so it's really easy to remember. Okay, so build funnel, custom keto diet. As that gets through, we're going to come up to a page and you're going to see that there's an opt-in and a thank you. Now, I'm just going to tell you right now, you don't need the thank you. So let's just get rid of that page right now. Okay, and now we have all these choices for opt-ins. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, oh, it needs to be super fancy. I'm going to give you a little tip here. They've done a lot of research on opt-in pages, and believe it or not, it's better to be simple. So simple is always better. Just keep that in the back of your head. So there are two on these pages that I really liked. I'm just trying to find them. My internet's running a little bit slow. Sorry about that. Okay, so there's one called Super Clean and there's one called Clean Box. I'm going to use the clean, let me look at this. I think it's the Clean Box for this one. So it looks like this. Yes, I'm going to use the Clean Box for this one. So I'm going to select that template. And that's going to input that template into my Clickfunnels. So now I have my opt-in page. All right, so this is the opt-in page that we're going to connect to the offer. So let's talk about how this gets set up. So one of the tricks that you want to do is you want to have congruency. You want people to feel like when they come to your opt-in page that they're opting in to the company that you're promoting. So what it's best to do is keep this up and say, okay, what does this look like? So they're using this background. Now I have a little trick for you on how you can take and use the same exact background on your funnel. I have a Chrome extension and I will make sure that I put all of the names of these extensions for Chrome in the description of this video so that you can use them. So I have an extension called Web Developer. Once I get the Web Developer, I go to Images and I want to view image information. It's going to show me all the images that are on this page, and here's that image. So I just want to right click. I want to save that image to my computer. And then I want to go back into my funnel. And now I'm going to go into settings, and this space around this box is the background. So I want to change the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click assets and I need to upload this picture. So I have to find the photo. Here it is. I click on it. It goes into my Clickfunnels image library, and then I double click on it, and now look. This is the background of my funnel now. It looks just like this one. Pretty similar. People are going to feel like it's congruent. Okay, so now I'm also going to look at the font being used. So believe it or not, there's another plugin that I use. It's called Font Fighter. You just go and you click on this and it tells me what is the font they are using. So they're using something called Nuanto Sans. Now I might not be able to find the exact one sometimes, guys, but this helps you at least know what family you're in. So I'm going to go back to this. And what does this say? It says, get your custom diet plan. Okay, so I'm going to say, get your custom diet plan now. And I want to click on this and I want to change my font. So I'm going to go into settings and I'm going to change the font. Now, chances are this one, I don't know if that was the same one. Nuvodo. So I'm going to see if they actually have this font in ClickFunnels. So I'm going to search the fonts and I'm not seeing it. So, oh wait, Nunato, there it is. There's the same exact font now, and that one is bold. So I'm going to bold this. And you just want to make sure the bold color is black as well. And you should be able to bold this. Now it looks very similar to this. Okay, so, all right. And then the button is get your custom keto. Okay, so we want that color. So I'm going to show you another trick. We want that button to be the same color as this button. So I have this web page up. I'm going to click on my little Chrome extension here, and it says pick a color. You take it down and you do that. You click on the color you want, and then you're going to see that I can actually get the code for this color. So now I go back into my button and I click on it and I go to settings. Oops. Go to settings. Okay. So first I want to change the color. So I want to make sure the color gets to be the same color. Okay. Then I want to make sure I want to change this. So click here to get access now. Okay. Awesome. Now you have to make sure, guys, that you also have a disclaimer in here. Now let's see if this company has their disclaimers. Emails, maybe if they have their FAQs. Okay, no, I'm not seeing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this landing page, and all of these things are here. So these are all things that I can, these privacy terms and contact, you want to have that on every single one of your flyers, on every single one of your opt-ins. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a new element. So you're going to want to add a row, and you're going to want to add a row with 3 columns. You're going to take that and you're going to drop that down to here. Okay. Now you want to create a new element, and you want that to be paragraph. And this is going to come up black. So you're going to hit Control A, and you're going to do backspace. And then you want to go in, and you're going to let me do that. Oop, add element. I think it went away. Let's put it in here. I think for some reason that paragraph went away. That's weird. All right, let's try the next one. For some reason that went away. So I made that a paragraph. I'm going to duplicate. There we go. Huh. I'm not sure what's going on there. All right. Anyways, you want to do this, and then you want to go in and you want to change the text. Let's change it to white so we can see it. Okay. And then I'm going to put privacy. Oops, for some reason it's not. Let's do this one more time. We're going to change the font, and you want to double click on it, backspace, and put in the word privacy. Not quite sure why. We may have to redo this. Let's redo it. For some reason, it's not working the way I want it to. All right, let's add it again. We're going to add a row. Sorry about that, guys. For some reason, it was just being a little funky. You just keep going. It's not a big deal. Okay. So now we're going to add new element. There we go. I want to change the text real quick right away because it seems this one's being very weird. There we go. Settings. Let's change that text to white right away. Okay. Now I want to change, and I want to make that say privacy. Okay. And then what you would do is you want to link. Now I would go into here and I would link their privacy. This is their privacy disclaimer. And I want to make that text white. And that's that. And then we want paragraph again. We want to go in. We want to make that white again. And we want to do one for terms and conditions or disclaimer. I like to put the word disclaimer on there. That kind of covers it all. Okay. And you want to do the same thing here. You want to go get their terms. And you want to link that, make that white. And then you always want to contact us. Okay. And you want to put your, oops. And you want to put in this link, oops. You want to put your email. So we'll just say Monique at Passive Income for Prosperity. And you want to change that color to white so you can see it. And now you have, I want to hit save. I always hit save. Okay. Now you want to change this. So just put custom. This is your SEO data. So if you decided to run ads or put a Google page up, Google finds it. So just put custom keto diet and just say, click here for your custom keto diet. Okay, and you can put keywords here like keto, you could put weight loss, you could put nutrition, okay? You would have to figure out those keywords. And that just kind of shows you what it would look like on Google. Okay, so I hit save. Now I have my landing page link. So create your affiliate links. We have to go in here and create your affiliate link. So here's the standard link that we just looked at. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that when you put this in, that XXXX is changed to your ClickBank ID, okay? Which is actually your username now. So what you want to do here, there's a couple of things. First, with the button, you want to set the button to actually, people think you want to go to the next page in your funnel. You do not want to do that. This is really important, okay? You want to do order and submit form, okay? It's really important that you pick that, because if you don't, you will not collect their information. And we want to make sure we're getting their information, okay? So you want to do order and form. And then you want to come up to integrations, and then you're going to have an email responder, like say get response, and you're going to collect add to a campaign, and then you're going to connect to a list. Whatever list it is that you're using in your email responder, you want to connect, and you want to make sure that this integration is connected, okay? After that, we want to go to general. Now this is where you're going to put your hop link or your ClickBank link. So you want to go back and you want to change those X's to your link, and then you want to make sure that there isn't a space before or any space after these links. Okay, and this looks good. I want to show my affiliate badge. I'm going to hide. There's no asset or download. I'm going to hide all this, and then I'm going to save. Okay, guys, so now you can test it by hitting preview. This is what's going to come up. You can see that this is going to be here, and then you can enter your name and a test, and you can test it to your email and see if it goes to the next link. So we'll just do a test here. We're going to do test, and I'm just going to use my email. Oh, I have a typo. I need to fix that. And boom, it took me to my custom keto plan, which here it is. There's a video for me to watch, and that's it. That's the ease of doing this. Now I do need to fix. I have a typo, so I want to go and fix that. Click here, okay, to get, oh, and I actually want to make sure that the get is capitalized as well. There, click here to get access now, and you want to hit save. Oh, it logged me out. This has been very funny, but here you'll see it in your list of funnels, guys, and that's pretty much it. Now there's a couple of things you can do, just so you know. If you want to make this more personalized, you can go in and you can change it to keto diet, right? Path keto diet, okay? And then keto diet. And you want to update the funnel step. And then when you go back, you're going to see that it's moniquemall.clickfunnels.keto diet. Now, if you have a domain name that you want to connect to it, you can certainly do that when you go into settings. This is the last tip I'll give, is you'll see that there is a place for your domain name in settings here. And you can say, I want this to be connected to this particular domain. And you go to the bottom, you save and you update. And then your funnel would now have your custom domain name versus your ClickFunnels. So that is it. I'm going to stop share. So that is how you would start and finish a funnel from begin to end. I hope that this was of value to you. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. If you have any feedback, I'd love to hear what maybe you'd like some more information on, and I'm happy to do a video on that. And I will make sure that all of those links, make sure you go in the description below. I'll make sure that all of those links are in the description so that you can pull those and get started.